So last lecture we did up to number 10. 10 मा त केही नि थिएन. If the amplitude is in the ratio 2:3 छ, then intensity भनेर थिएन. Okay, then the intensity will be in the ratio of the given that frequency is same भनिरहेछ. So last lecture मा त हामीले केही गर्नु परेन. बेसिकली लास्ट लेक्चरमा we did just के भन्छ I1 by के भन्छ हामीले रेसियो दिएको छ एम्प्लिट्युडको A1/2 को रेसियो दिएको छ. अनि इन्टेन्सिटी भनेको A1² FI² हुन्छ र फ्रिक्वेन्सी सेम भनिरहेछ यहाँ. अनि त्यसपछि I स्क्वायर गऱ्यो. अनि त्यसपछि I स्क्वायर होइन I A² गऱ्यो. अब I स्क्वायर गऱ्यो भने स्क्वायर गर्नलाई के गर्नुपर्छ A को ठाउँमा को भएर राखेर स्क्वायर गरेँ. त्यही एन्सर. 2 को 2 to the 4 3 9 so 4:9 एन्सर भयो. यी गर्नै परेन. अब सेकेन्ड क्वेसन छ 2 waves लाउडनेस अफ L सुपरइम्पोज छ. सुपरइम्पोज भनेर छ. अब सुपरइम्पोज भन्ने बित्तिकै मैले यति कुरा बुझिसकेँ कि यसमा I1 = I2 = L हुन्छ. सुपरइम्पोज भन्ने बित्तिकै मैले लाउडनेस L भनेको लाउडनेस भयो I1. सो आई विल जस्ट राइट इट हियर. सुपरइम्पोज भनेको सुपरइम्पोज भनेको खासमा I1 = I2 = L भयो होइन. ओके and के भन्छ okay. सो त्यस्तो हुन्छ. सुपरइम्पोज भन्ने बित्तिकै मैले यहाँ हेर्ने सुपरइम्पोज हेरेँ होइन. यहाँ मैले सुपरइम्पोज हेरेँ. यहाँ मैले के हेरेँ भन्दाखेरि सुपरइम्पोज. सो सुपरइम्पोज हेर्ने बित्तिकै मैले के लेखिदिएँ भन्दाखेरि I1 = I2 = L लेखेँ. I1 = I2 = L लेखेँ होइन. टु प्रड्युस स्पिड्स L भनेको के भयो यहाँ लाउडनेस इच अफ लाउडनेस L सुपरइम्पोज टिचर. किन भन्दाखेरि इच अफ लाउडनेस भनेर छ नि त. इच अफ लाउडनेस भनेर छ होइन. इच अफ लाउडनेस L भनेर छ. मतलब दुइटै छ. एउटा L छ अर्को पनि L नै छ भन्ने बुझिन्छ. अब हेर. अब द म्याक्सिमम लाउडनेस अफ द बिट विल बी. नाउ देयर इज म्याक्सिमम लाउडनेस के हुन्छ भनेर छ 11 नम्बरमा. ओके म्याक्सिमम लाउडनेस के हुन्छ भनेर छ. सो आई म्याक्स निकाल्नु पऱ्यो. हामीलाई यति मात्रै थाहा छ कि यो हामी अलवेज डु द भेक्टरवाला फर्म गर्छ. अब हामीले जे निकाल्नु पऱ्यो होइन. मी अलवेज भेक्टरवाला फर्म गर्छु. जस्तै विडियो के भन्छ त्यसको के भन्छ इन्टेन्सिटी निकाल्दा पनि त्यस्तै गर्छ. यो निकाल्दा पनि त्यस्तै आई म्याक्स भनेर छ. आई म्याक्स = √/L √/L यस होल स्क्वायर. अफिस टाइम हुन्छ नि त. अफिस वर्किङ आवर्स आई म्याक्स या नेपाली हो. ओके सो लाइक 4L हुन्छ. किन भन्दाखेरि यो L + L 4L हुन्छ. हाउ इज इट 4L? Why did you write 4L? Okay, if you want, okay, so here is A square plus A square plus B, A square plus 2AB plus B square हुन्छ नि. यस्तो हुन्छ. L plus 2L नै हुन्छ. ओके प्लस L नै हुन्छ नि. 2 3 4L हुन्छ नि. बुझ्यो. सो भेक्टर होला त भेक्टर एडिसन त गर्नु पर्यो होइन. So I x = 4L. So 4L is the answer. Okay. What is question 2 number? Correct. I'll just write here correct. Yes, I want my YouTube fam to be the most, competent. I want competent people. Elon Musk is my Khan Academy. Okay. Polarizing angle between the reflected and refracted rays is 90 degree, of course, right? We'll see exactly, because we have already know that this, if it is like this, it is okay, I'll teach you again. This is a refracted ray, sorry, this is rarer medium, this is denser medium, right? And if it comes from like this polarizing angle, this reflects on 90-degree, make refracted, and right, refracted 90-degree, and this is 90-degree, and this is refracted angle, and this is what, this is refracted, and this is polarized reflected, polarized polarized reflected, reflected angle. So this is polarized reflected angle. Okay, what was that different version? Okay, summarize the streaming. That was good. That's nice. Everyone's doing like now. So for now, third number in your stuff, double slit experiment. And question is, in Young's double slit experiment, 12 fringes are obtained. About 12 fringes obtained wires, होइन. So fringe length यो 12 fringes are obtained. ल मलाई एकजनाले कसैले भन्यो त यो 12 fringes भनेको के भयो? In a certain fragment of the skin when light, यो हाम्रो mock test मा नि सोधेको question हो. I want to say my students, this is a good question actually. Yeah. Of 600 nanometer is used, and if the wavelength of the light is changed to 400 nanometer, the number of fringes obtained in the same skin will be. यो हामीले यति थाहा छ कि नम्बर अफ फ्रिन्ज n भनेको अब नम्बर अफ फ्रिन्जेस दिइरहेको छ भनेको n भयो हैन, यति थाहा छ नि त. नम्बर अफ फ्रिन्जेस हामीले यति थाहा छ, नम्बर अफ फ्रिन्जेस n हुन्छ हैन. इज इन्भर्सली is wavelength of light is inversely proportional to wavelength of light. Wavelength of light. How does now? So here is the thing, wavelength. So this means that n1 by n2 is equals to lambda 1 by lambda 2. Yes? No, lambda 2 by lambda 1, because it is inversely proportional. Oh, I was checking. Okay. यस्तो हुन्छ नि त. Okay. Yes, अब हेर कति राम्ररी बुझाइदिइरहेको छु मैले तिमीहरूलाई. अब हेर हामीले यस्तो केसेस, अब यो एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट. यो हाम्रो हामी जताततै गरिदिन्छु कि मैले हेरेँ यसो हेरेँ होइन, यो अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड यसो हेऱ्यो भने मैले हेर्ने बित्तिकै मैले गरिदिएँ कि n1 by n2 इक्वल्स टु n2 by n1 यस्तो मैले गरिदिएँ कि. अब क्वेसन हेर्छु मैले 12 fringes there obtained. ओके लेखेँ मैले. सर्टिफाइड कम्पिसको मैले 600 nanometer. ओके सो lambda 1 भनेको त 6 2 by 1 मा 600, यहाँ तल हुन्छ 600. नैनोमिटर त किन चेन्ज गर्नु पऱ्यो र? 400 nanometer. ओके यो इक्वल्स टु वाट, यो भनेको n2 भने यो n2 भने फाइन्ड गर्नु पऱ्यो. अब 2 2 जा 2 3 जा. ओके 2 by 3 into 3 इक्वल्स टु 2 into n2. n2 is equals to 6 into 3 18. सक्यो. Yes, correct. अब करेक्ट कसले लेख्छ? 30 number 40 number इजी छ रहेछ. ओके क्वेसन इज द विड्थ भनेको कसले के बुझ्यो भन्न, छिट्टो भन्न. सेपरेसन भनेको फ्रिन्ज विड्थ बिटा भयो. एभ्रिवान अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड राइट? बिटा. एभ्रिवान अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड्स बिटा, right? Everyone understands the beta, right? Beta. Okay, everyone understands beta, right? Okay, good. So this is a width. Already I have told you guys. Okay. Third fringe, okay, is fringe को पनि third. Okay, two consecutive fringe, bright fringe of two consecutive or two consecutive fringe भन्छ. Okay. यो केमा डिपेन्ड गर्छ त्यस बेला? यो केमा डिपेन्ड गर्छ त्यो भने मात्रै भन. यो मिडियामा डिपेन्ड गर्छ. किन भन्दाखेरि किनभने ल्याम्डा डी बाई म्यु डी पनि हुन्छ कि यस्तो हुन्छ म्युमा डिपेन्ड गर्छ यस्तो हुन्छ र ल क्वेसन इज डबल स्लिट मैले एक्स्ट्रा मिडियममा डिपेन्ड गर्छ एक्स्ट्रा कुरा भनेको चाहिन्छ त्यसले भनेको द विड्थ अफ द थर्ड फ्रिन्ज इन द यङ्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेन्ट चाहिने भनेको इन्फर्मेसन्स मात्र हामी गर्छौँ ओके अब हेर द विड्थ अफ द थर्ड फ्रिन्ज इन यङ डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेन्ट इन्टरफेस एक्सपेरिमेन्ट 0.1 mm सो बीटा 0.11 दिएको छ ओके विड्थ अफ द फिफ्थ फ्रिन्ज विल बी अब हेर सेम हुन्छ एकजनाले भनिरहेछ क्वेसन एन्सर के हो 14 को डी 0.1 mm सी सेम हुन्छ किन भन्दाखेरि यो के भन्छ म एउटा कुरा याद राख लेख फ्रिन्ज विड्थ मैले मिडियम हेर्दा मिडियम चेन्ज भएको छैन भनेको सेम हुन्छ विड्थ अफ अल सेकेन्ड म्याक्सिमा इज सेम एज द्याट अफ सेन्टर म्याक्सिमा है यो याद गर्नुपर्ने कुरा हो आज स्किप इट ओके 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 सेम हुन्छ किन भन्दाखेरि इज सेम हुन्छ फ्रिन्ज विड्थ त सेम उस्तै हुन्छ and there is also a called to current monochromatic light becomes sense of intensity in the ratio 1:4 15 mm intensity यो बुझिसक्यो होइन यति त बुझ्यो होला आइवान के छ यो पनि बुझ्यो होला सबले यो पनि बुझ्यो होला के भन्छ रेसियो अफ म्याक्सिमम टु मिनिमम ओ माई गड ओके म्याक्स भनेको रुट गरिदिन्छु मलाई गरिदिन्छु क्या सिम्पली के गर्नु चाहिँ 1 + 2 होल स्क्वायर one plus just put it the value what wow okay good one okay now system is the fringe width in the difference pattern due to current sources. Yeah, inverse proportional. I believe proportional to what inverse? Fringe width. Let me see one thing. The fringe width beta, right? Lambda. Hey, that is beta. Beta is directly proportional. Beta is lambda. Sorry. We did. Oh, okay, so beta is directly proportional. So answer is B. Okay. Now we have done a few questions. Oh, okay, so we are going to do how much? Oh my god, too many PA quizzes here. Okay, let's deal with it. 70 number. There's one slit is covered with transparent blue filter and the other is left as it is in the interference pattern. So current sources are required for the interference to be conquered. So intercurrent, you should know this because since I write MP, you should learn this actually. Current sources of lights are required for the interference to be occurred. Interference not like current चाहिन्छ. अब यो current भयो त एउटा ब्लू फिल्टर छ र अदर लेफ्ट राइट इज द इन्टरफेरेन्स हुँदैन किन भन्दाखेरि कोरेन्ट सोर्स चाहियो हामीले कोरेन्ट निडेड के निडेड कोरेन्ट निडेड कोरेन्ट इज निडेड current is needed देखो मुझे देखो तुझे भाई. Oh yeah, so here we are going to a laser produces laser high penetrating X-rays, I guess so. A plasma of neutrons or is monochromatic light is the answer. Is it? No, D is the answer. Okay, a beam of oh wow. Okay, so I didn't read Pasariko, but if I had, I would have known. In current current so a beam of current. Now a Mac bro is 19 number question. Is maximum intensity 16 times the intensity minimum and the ratio of the amplitude to very easy. Intensity A square, right? And a maximum I max to I minimum is what? 16 is to 1, right? So 16 to 16 is to 1. Abhara. Oh, that's minimum. Okay. So A1 plus A2 whole square. A1 minus A2 whole square हुन्छ नि त यस्तो हुन्छ and okay, so like yeah, it doesn't make sense at all, but so you need to solve this. I will solve here. Okay, so गर्दा पनि this is like okay, but wait, is in amplitude you have to do it is good. So इसको मतलब I can write like this: 16 equals to A1 plus A2 whole square, right sir? Correct. यति लेखिस् तैले. Good, that's good actually. अब मैले के गर्छु भन्दा we'll just keep it. Okay, you just keep a square into this side. Okay, give it root under. So root under 16 equals to A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2. We can do that. So 4A1 minus 4A2 equals to A1 plus A2. 4A1 minus A1 equals to A2 plus 4A2. 3A1 equals to 5A2. A1 by A2 equals to 5 by 3. 5 by 3. This. Exactly. Do waves are defined to current if they are commutative interferential sources close together, they have constant phase difference between them, same amplitude, they have same speed. I think phase difference is better answer. Correct. Okay, and now in double experiment, okay, the 12th is oh you know this, how to use, right? Of course. This is all like about how to you use it, and this is 12 fringes are in certain fragment. This is 600, so 12 fragments, so it is 12 fragments 600. The wavelength of light is 400 nanometer. The wavelength is 400, and there is an nanometer number of fringes, and 2 equals to what? And so this is the same question. Agi gareko answer it right? Exactly. अघि गरेको थियौँ हामीले त 2 3 गरेको थियौँ र and 2 के भन्छ 12 into 3 by 3 equals to 2 equals to and 2 2 6 is 12 and 2 equals to 18 हुन्थ्यो हैन. Now we have already done it. So 22 number is now. अब अर्को कुरा is 22 number we are going to the fact that light can produce used to light diversion polarized गरेर सक्यो युनिभर्सल र ट्रान्सफर्स वेभ याद राख यो याद राख्नुपर्छ कुरा 22 नम्बर है 22 नम्बर एमपी 22 नम्बर एमपी okay well the question is easy from this chapter in order to okay in order to increase width fringe width the wavelength of fringe width beta okay wavelength of the light should equals to lambda d by d then that is it's just since it is directly proportional it should be increased inshallah exactly 24 number this is good question and we'll solve it double slit experiment fringe width is 2 meter okay beta is 2 meter okay separation between 9 fringe and dark to the center from the center of the fringe system is okay so dark fringe and there is dark to bright fringe and dark fringe okay this type of question I get a lost bright fringe and there is dark fringe so there is bright fringe and there is dark fringe okay okay so there is bright fringe there is dark fringe right so we can just do I think we should just learn simple formula you know distance of and bright fringe and distance of dark fringe you need to learn formula okay I know this just learn this okay I'm just telling you okay distance अब हामीले अब याद गर्ने पर्यो एउटा फर्मुला यो क्वेसन धेरैपल्ट सोधिसकेको so distance of and bright fringe hey how right fringe bright fringe छ भनेको के भयो 2 so lambda d by 2d हुन्छ ब्राइट छ नि त दुईटै मात्रै हो 2 and राख्दैन अनि त 2 राख्दैन है यति याद राख्ने है 2 and ब्राइटमा अनि डिस्टेन्स अफ and dark fringe is equals to 2n minus 1 lambda d by 2d unit त्यति हुन्छ क्या हैन okay okay so यो भयो यस्तो हाम्रो डिस्टेन्स छ यति कुरा हामीलाई थाहा छ and solving the questions हामीलाई यति कुरा थाहा हुनुपर्छ and we already know this so question is अब हेर we'll just find out again we'll do again and we just put the value and we just get the value and we'll get So this is a good question. Price code matra also this type of questions. So it's the question is like more like yeah, beta is equals to beta is what 2 meter. We go slow, right? And there is distance of nth bright fringe. Oh god, like and there is like distance of nth bright fringe. Is distance of nth bright fringe, and there is distance of nth dark fringe. Okay, nth bright fringe. Okay, bright fringe is 2n. Okay, and lambda d by capital 2d. So So 2 above here. And what is value? So I just cancel 2 so what it becomes? And beta becomes, so n 1 how much? Bright friends is 9th. So 9th, so 9 into beta is 2, 9 to 18 mm. But dark friend, bright friends, now dark friends 2n minus 1 lambda d by 2d हुन्छ. अब यसलाई कसरी गर्ने त? 2n minus 1 बीटा by, अब हेर 2n minus 1 त लेख्छु होइन, बीटा यता हुन्छ र के हुन्छ by 2 हुन्छ कि नै हो. अब 2 into n भनेको कति हुन्छ? डार्कमा 2 minus 1 2 by 2, 4 minus 1 into 1 3. Three minus 3. 3, and where does by 2 come from? Into 2 and by 2 is coming from, huh? Again 3. 3 हुन्छ. Okay. So now separation between 9th and 3 is, you must subtract 18 minus 3 is 15. Okay. Simple, right? Correct छ. त्यहाँ यो 3 हुन्छ. करेक्ट हुनुपर्छ. यहाँ 3 हुनुपर्ने. यहाँ 3 हुन्छ है. ल. करेक्ट छ. Now subtract those both. हाम्रो कति छ माथि आएको? 18 minus 3 कति हुन्छ? 15. So 15 is the answer. So this is a good question, right? Very good question. I like that. And there is like more question here. 25 number. Yellow light in a single slit diffraction with a slit of width if the light is replaced on x-axis. No diffraction right now. Exactly, because again the same thing. Appliances, the expression having fringe width is impossible instead of water having it. Fringe width becomes what? Beta. So mu ma change huncha. Like it changes on mu. So yeah, we'll deal with the remaining question a bit. Thank you.